I'll introduce myself with my name. My name is Ashwini.
Okay.
I'm doing my BA in Journalism and International Relations in St. Joseph's University. I'm in final year.
What makes you happy in life?
So currently I'm in such a position, I feel nothing is like making me so happy. Stressed out with my life, my career. I don't know like what to do after this. In order to divert my mind, I generally like watching web series on Netflix and I like traveling as well. It's like I don't know if I really want to pursue my career in journalism. So I was planning to do data science. I really want to explore about computer science, artificial intelligence,
Okay.
and all those things. Data science is like basically all those things. I really want to explore that course. Hopefully I end up, being a data scientist.
What are your next plans, like after college?
Yeah, that's what I'm stressed about. Probably doing like I'll pursue my career in like journalism, but side by side I'm planning to do a course in data science. Along with that, if I feel that okay, I'm okay with data science, I'm understanding everything, I'll switch my career into being a data scientist. And side by side, I'll always be preparing for my PG. Yeah.
What's your passion, like data science?
I can't say that it's my passion because I didn't explore it yet to explore it. So let's see if it becomes my passion.
Okay.
Yeah, actually I was doing modeling as well. I think modeling can be one thing which I would say like it's my passion. So you like, filming people?
No, my passion is to become a film director. So, which is, like, जैसे आप बोला था, like filming people.
So like you are multitasking, like doing many things at the same time.
For the survival, yeah.
Oh, that's
Matlab, when you're put in fire and you have to survive there is no other way. It's your need, it's not even your want.
I really hope you end up being a very famous film director.
Hey, thank you so much. That means a lot actually. I had the really good opportunity there. I lost it. I actually left it. I didn't have interest because I don't have interest in government jobs. I really don't like because my dad worked and I've seen that phase, right? I want to be like just explore something wild, stay hunger. I don't want to be in a comfort zone.
But you're the first person I'm hearing like you're not interested in getting government job.
No. There are a lot of people.
Really?
Maybe.
I really wish I should end up being a data scientist or I should end up in a good government job.
It is good. See, everyone have their own taste. Nothing wrong in it. I see it as a comfort zone. I don't want to stay in a comfort zone. It's maybe even like that. Dad has worked in a government sector, right? So maybe I'm bored about it. Maybe even that could be a thing.
Government job, you should end up being like it's security. But on the other hand, I should end up in a government job, it's fine. Even if I don't, I want to, earn good. That's all my motive is.
Security, okay. Kitna din ka security, bhai?
True.
Is actually like it's not able to handle everything. सोचते हैं कि pension मिलेगा retirement के बाद, पैसा मिलेगा, अरे ये सब तुमको comfort करेगा. No one is understanding this. I mean, see, it's not like I am leftist or rightist. I'm not like that. But see, people are meant to walk, run, be wild. Maybe we took a wrong way somewhere. I think I'm बहुत ज्ञान बांट रहा हूँ.
No.
But
actually, it's interesting because, like there are very few people who actually talk about their career and, all those things.
Yeah.
And it's actually interesting. Your parents don't like tell you should end up in a government job and stuff like that.
They were telling me, but they got tired. They छोड़ दिया जो भी करना है बेटा कर ले तू.
Oh my God.
See, end of the day, I have not been a parent, but I can tell you this. Parents' only motivation is to keep kids happy. So how many years you've been staying in Bangalore?
It's been 2 years now.
Okay, super.
This is my 3rd year.
Okay.
But now Bangalore is not Bangaloring anymore. I was born and brought up in Port Blair, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Honestly, after I came to Bangalore, people, they asked me, how are you managing in South? So I said, look, I was born and brought up in Andaman, which is south of India.
Yeah.
Being a North Indian, I don't like North, especially the weather. Even the food, right? I like South Indian food. Every day I just go to the canteen, I eat dosa. Honestly, the only thing which I don't like about Bangalore, the auto drivers, the way they behave.
Yeah.
The only thing I just dislike, sometimes in Rapido and Uber also, they'll ditch you like anything.
I know.
So that's my problem. Otherwise, everything is like 10 on 10. I like the food. I like everything. I like the weather.
Super, super.
Even people, right? They are good. There are many North Indians who say like, you know, people will treat you like they'll discriminate you and stuff like that. But I never faced such
No,
kind
it's
of things.
basically
People are
like the what kind of energy you give, right? That's the energy you receive.
true.
So if
true.
you're being harsh to them, they will be harsh, obviously.
Yeah,
Anywhere you go.
Honestly, I never faced such problems. The only problem which I faced was those auto drivers. Oh my god, dealing with them is a problem.
Yeah.
But otherwise, people are like, they are good. If you don't mind, can I ask you one personal question?
Yes.
So, like, how does this Rapido thing works? Like, I'm confused. Do they pay you like how much? Like,
I'll tell you. So
how does it work?
basically, I install the app. I'm the driver. I become Rapido Cab. The company provides only the app. They provide you with the customer's location and everything. So that's the thing they charge for. Imagine the cost is 10 rupees. Rapido take commission and tax and everything. Milake is around 30%. So which is 3 rupees.
Oh,
And you have that stress. What you will do next, right?
hmm.
Why? Like, why are you stressing?
I'm confused. Like, what am I supposed to do?
No, just stay calm. Like, take a good, like, deep breath. Okay, so just think for a second. Why are you stressing out? No, just like simple answers. Don't think a lot about it.
So, the first thing that came up in my mind is like, if I go in this path, will I end up being successful because there's a lot of competition? That is the thing which is making me stressed.
Okay.
Second, will I be able to go into this way? Will I be able to fit into this place?
What's gonna happen if that fails?
Uh,
Whatever you are doing, right? You said that
yeah.
you'll go in this path that doesn't work. You fail there
Yeah,
with 100% failure, not even 90, 99, 99.
yeah.
100% failure. That's fine. I'll tell you, experience.
Oh,
That's everything. You have an experience, right?
yeah.
You will fall, but you can't fall again. कितना बार fail होगा भाई? See,
But
there
don't
is
you
no
feel
guarantee.
scared?
Sorry,
Don't you feel scared like this?
I am scared, but you don't know what you need, right? You have to explore that. I am happy with this. I'm really happy that I'm talking to people because I was damn scared to talk to people. I was so scared. I broke that barrier now. One of the reasons why I started Rapido is because I can talk to people, right?
So, how did you break this barrier?
This is like I didn't plan this. Happened very unexpectedly.
Oh, that's a good inspiration. Can you? Like, not to get scared. I'll tell you one thing about me. I'm very scared of getting failed in life.
अरे ठीक है, fail होगा तो क्या होगा? See, you can give a comeback, right?
Yeah,
See,
that's what my point is. Because I don't know if I would be coming back with the same energy.
tell me any famous person that you know, you admire.
Sachin Tendulkar?
Anyone is talking about his failures,
No, not really.
then no one really cares about your failures. People only care about the success. If you achieve in your 50s, what's wrong? See, the point is you should never give up, whatever it is. But the thing is, you don't be stressed because it's not going to help for anyone, even for you too. In fact, your mind won't work best when you're stressed.
So, what do you do like in order to distract yourself whenever you feel like stressed or anxious?
No, I'm always stressed and anxious. To be honest, that's the truth.
How do you distract yourself?
Just stop thinking about it. Do some other activity.
I mean, it's great talking to you. It's a good initiative to actually talk to people. I mean, I just felt good talking to someone.
What do you think is most important in life?
Loving yourself is the most important thing you should do.
Awesome.
I think you are doing a very great job. You should talk to people like this so that they'll share their experience, their life experiences to you, and you'll get a lot of things to know about and learn about. And they can also learn many things. They can make you your inspiration because, yeah, I kind of like your thoughts.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.